Shane Richard. I'm here at Wayne's Barbershop. What are you laughing at? Yo, it's your fault! Hi, my name's Shane Richard. I'm here at Wayne's Barbershop with Easy Blade. This is my friend Rob. You can catch me on Instagram, shane.richardwbs. Today we're gonna scissor cut the top, scissor cut the sides, probably do a little clipper work, tight on the sideburns, nice tight taper in the back, some layering, blow dry it, and nice regular haircut.
Can you fade my knuckles?
Yeah. Right now we're gonna cut the top, and so we want to find the top of the head. Use the comb, balance it out. The apex is right there when the comb lays flat. So that's where you part it, right there. Bring that over, that way. Make it like a little mohawk for the guideline, just like that. You see it right there. Lift this up. We're making our guideline. And this will be a traveling guideline, and make sure everything's square. You look at my elbow, everything's 90 degrees. Boom. You drop it, you can comb it to the side. Comb that over. Now you take about 3 sections. Take that over, boom. Bring this up, scoop it. That's my guideline right there, if you can see it. And that's what we're cutting. We'll comb it up one more time. Right, and whatever falls, just like that, you let it fall. You're not gonna bring it over to connect it, because that would make a round shape. We're looking for square. That's more masculine. So we did that. Bring that over. You're done with that. Boom. Bring this over. Bring it up. That's all we have to cut. Boom. Done. Front. See what we got to cut. Not much. Just touch it. Boom. Now, this is already cut. This isn't cut. So you can match it up with this. Just like I did before. Bring this up. That's the guideline. That's what we cut. Boom. Whatever falls on that side, you let fall. Comb that back. Section. Hold this up. That's what we cut. Boom. Pull back. Bring this back up. That's what we cut. Alright, so now we have to get to the back. We already cut the front. So now, just like in the beginning, where we found the apex, we parted it right about there. We're going to want to part it maybe ½ an inch up this way, so we have some of that guide, so we can transition the guide to this way. It is called the traveling guideline. So just like that. Comb this back, make another mohawk, split it, boom, split it, boom. Got the mohawk again. And if I did that correctly, it'll be shorter on this side and longer on this side. See, that's where we cut. Pull this up, see if we have to cut anything. It's all falling, don't even cut it. We already cut that. Now, take some more, bring it up, see where my body is. That's the guideline, that's what you cut. My body's right in front of my sections. Get that, bring this up. There's not much there you need to cut, right there. Boom. Bring this back, we already cut that. So we're here. That over, cut here, right from my, boom, that's what we need to cut. Bring this over, boom, boom, beautiful. We're gonna scissor cut some of this, make it lay down. You wanna section it at the recession. The recession point, or the corner, right there. We'll say around there. Don't be afraid, guys, to comment on the video and ask me about anything, or what do you want to see. Now we're gonna make a guideline. I'm just gonna break some of this out, just like that. Comb this that way, just like this. Straight out from the head, making the guideline. Boom. Take some of this, bring this that way. Don't even deal with that. Traveling guideline. You're gonna find your guide right underneath, and my guide is, it's gonna be hard to see, right there. Hold out, boom, that lays down. Comb some over, take some, my guideline is right there. And I'm not going all the way down because I'm going to clipper over comb some of this. I just want to make this lay down nice. Take some of this out, take some of my guide. Doesn't have to be super pretty, guys. Guideline is right there. Boom. We always go back and cross check and stuff, so doesn't have to be perfect. It's art. But you see how that's laying down nice. It's combing back nice. He's gonna comb it back, so that's all brushing back very nice. We just keep on going. Alright. Find your guide. The guide's right there. Now once I get more towards the back, I'm gonna start bringing it back just a little bit. Right there. So I'm going to pick up the guideline from back here. Should have got a manicure, but I didn't. We're just cross-checking, seeing everything, looking at lengths, feeling out. So now that we scissor cut, I'm gonna blow dry. I'm gonna use a little mousse on his top of his head right there. You work it in. You know what I mean? You want to work it into the scalp. You know? You just want to work it in. When you're blow drying, you don't want to touch the blow dryer on the hair because you don't want to burn the hair. I mean, his hair's still pretty wet while I'm blow drying it, but you don't want to get in there. You want to be in front of your sections when you're doing it. But you see over on this side, his hair is flowing nice. Got a nice flow. It's gonna be nice. I'm gonna flip over comb all that. It's gonna be very nice. I'm going to texturize the top a little bit. You can notch it with regular shears. I have notching shears right here. So I'm just going to pull up some of this hair and just notch. Yes, so much hair. It's kind of ridiculous and I'm very jealous. But I don't tell him that because I hang out with him a lot. This is my best friend Rob.
Just told me. You just told me.
So anyways, you just notch away. I said that out loud.
I'm your friend?
We're not. Oh, we're not friends.
Oh.
No, we're friends. But you don't. Anyways, so we're just gonna notch away. Get some bulk. Get some of this bulk out of the way. Overcomb with my fast feed, Oster fast feed. Been using these 10 years now. They're great. I'll open it up all the way. I open it up all the way because there's less room for mistake. So I don't cut it with it closed, I cut it with it open. Leaves texture, and that's the name of the game. You can also taper with these, just like that. There's no attachment on these. Still open up all the way. You see the taper starting to form. Got a light hand. See how the taper's starting to form. I can, you can teach yourself how to do a whole haircut with a fast feed. My older brother, who owns the barbershop, he taught me haircuts, how to do full haircuts with a fast feed. And they're very fun, they're very creative, but they're tough. It's not easy. You have to be very comfortable. You got to know your tools. I think that's one of the first steps that you got to know as a barber, your tools. If you don't know your tools, I mean, you don't really know what you're doing. Alright, so we're going in with the fast feed. Just like that. This is just clipper over comb. We're looking for a square shape, so I have him faced in the mirror so I can always look at the shape of his hair as well. Comb this, use the teeth, get some of that out. Just gonna go behind the ear. You go behind the ear with the comb, you flip up. The comb is protecting the ear, so you don't clip the ear. You just, you don't want to clip it down here. You want to make sure you're up here. You pay attention so you don't hit the ear. I mean, you can go slow enough so you don't hit the ear. You just want to be careful. And come around here just to taper this out a little bit. Like I said, I'm not flat against the head. You guys are like, how's he doing this? I'm not flat against the head. Just using the teeth, not pressing up against the skin too much. Really just trying to get that hair. Boom. And go up into this. I'm always combing it the way I want to go, so I know how it looks when it's falling. Just like that. I want to get this taper a little tighter, so I'm using a magic clip. I'll go back with the fast feed just to clean it up a little bit. Back with the fast feed. Nice tight taper, no square backs. The classic regular haircut. Cleaning up around the perimeter now. Move that out of the way. Always trim up everything you need to. If he has a little ear hair, trim it up. Nose hair, trim it up. Little things matter. Get around the ears pretty well. Try to keep it as natural as possible because you already tapered it out with the fast feed. You can always go back and taper it out a little bit more. I might. Easy blade, of course. It's the best. When I use this, it's so different from any other shaving gel that I use. It's like, if you want to get paid, you have to get down with the Easy Blade.
Got it down.
Every lineup gets slayed
With that.
if you mess around with the Easy Blade. So you put it right in here, right in the ears, zoopy, zoop, right in there, bop, boom, boom. You come around here. Like that. Beautiful. Get up here. Pick that up. Just using pretty sure this is a detangling comb, but it gives a nice little wave to it. Show that texture off. Taper in there. So that's a regular haircut. Scissor cut on top, little razor work, texturizing. I used a detangling comb to get some of that separation, the natural separation that I cut into it. Fast feed, trimmer work, Easy Blade line work. Fast feed with a magic clip taper. I dropped it. I didn't go straight across with my sections. It drops like that. You can see. But taper with a fast feed. Clipper over comb with a fast feed. No plastic attachments. Nice classic regular haircut. Alright, my name's Shane Richard. You can find me on Instagram, shane.richardwbs. We're here at Wayne's Barbershop with Easy Blade. This is my friend Rob. Nope. And yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and let us know what you want to see. Bye.